If you have an issue that cannot be solved using documentation and technical articles available in Help Desk, you can get in touch with a technician from our technical support team. To access the support, you must first sign in to your Workspace account. Then, click on Contact Caldera Support Team from the main menu on the left. It will take you to the Help Desk page. You can also use the Direct Access tab from Caldera Doc to access this page directly. From the main page, you can submit a request using our ticketing tool. It is important to note that companies who have subscribed to our Caldera Care maintenance contract benefit from a service agreement level, or SLA. Meaning, depending on the severity of the issue, a Caldera Care subscriber is offered options to submit the support request as critical, major, or minor. A minor issue has an 8-hour guaranteed response time. A major issue has a 4-hour guaranteed response time. And a critical issue has a 2-hour guaranteed response time. If your company did not subscribe to Caldera Care, it is still possible to submit a support ticket, but the ability to choose the severity of your issue is not an option and the response time is not guaranteed. Then, depending on what Caldera products you use, different forms are available. Here we assume that we are Caldera RIP users, therefore the Caldera RIP form is the only one available from the list. First, you can choose to send a copy of your request. Then, you must evaluate the severity of your issue. Depending on support investigations, this SLA priority indicator can be changed. Indicate the version of your software. Choose a topic from the list. Add a subject. Then, describe the encountered problem. Please provide as many details as possible related to your issue, to speed up the request processing. Also, do not hesitate to provide screenshots or additional photos that could help our team to understand and fix the issue. Once your ticket is complete, click the Submit button. This will open your activities page with a summary of your current issue. On the right, we can see that your ticket is open and waiting for a response from a Caldera technician. By going in the My Activities section, you can retrieve all the tickets you have submitted so far. Let's click the latest ticket. As we can see, a reply is pending. Here, different actions from the support are possible. A technician can ask you for TeamViewer credentials in order to start a remote control session. If the technician has already found a solution for you, they may send you a written explanation or a Help Desk documentation link. Here, a Help Desk article already exists and will help us to fix the issue. Whether it solved the issue or not, do not hesitate to notify the Caldera support team by replying from Help Desk or using your own mailbox. In this example, the ticket will be closed by the assigned technician. Please note that once a ticket is closed, it is necessary to open a new support ticket in the future for proper visibility and guaranteed response times.